This slow cooker Korean inspired pulled beef is an absolute winner of a recipe. Super juicy, packed full of flavour and really easy to make. We just bung everything in the slow cooker, pop the lid on it and forget it. That's it. So first thing is soy sauce. I'm using reduced salt because I'm cooking this for the kids. White wine or rice wine vinegar. Corn flour mixed in a little bit of water so it doesn't go clumpy. Equal measures of garlic and ginger. As always, I'm using it from a jar. There's a link to the one I use in the description. Some honey to add a little bit of sweetness. Some mustard. I'm using whole grain, but it doesn't really matter what you've got, just any mustard you've got in your fridge. Probably going to ruin the pronunciation on this, but gochujang paste. It's basically Korean chili paste. You used to have to get that on Amazon or online, but you can now get it in most supermarkets. I got mine from Tesco's. And then beef stock. Pop your whisk in, mix it all through, and then we're adding a kilo of brisket. I've just chopped mine in half, and then that is it. For cooking this, I think the low and slow is the best, so 8 hours on low is what you're aiming for.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
When it's ready, get your forks in and just shred it all up and start thinking about what you want to serve this with. You could serve this with noodles, or I did this with fried rice and some stir-fried veg, but whatever you go for, it's a winner. You can also keep it in the fridge and have it in sandwiches and stuff later in the week. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, if you'd like the full recipe and a load of others, you can get them inside my app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!